Hey guys, it's Kevin, and I believe having a clean workspace is key to being productive. It also makes a nice background for any content. It looks more professional and presentable. But this is what my desk really looks like after being creative. Cables everywhere, empty coffee mugs and boba cups, misaligned products, and more. So today, we're going to be cleaning, we're going to be organizing, we're going over my step-by-step process. So let's get started. So I always like to start my routine by vacuuming first. I use this Dyson V8 Animal Plus vacuum. It's powerful, lightweight, and cord-free, and it feels like Transformers every time I change to a different tool. I live in your typical Asian household and no shoes are allowed in the house, so vacuuming is a must. There's also a corgi in the house, so there's dog hair everywhere. Let's see if she'll make a cameo. Or not. After I finish vacuuming, I start mopping with a wet Swiffer sweeper. I ran out and only have dry ones, so let's pretend this is wet. I start with one corner and work my way out. Once that's done drying, I begin clearing out my stuff so I can start with a blank slate or desk in this case. I don't remove the bigger products like the monitor or boom arm though, since it's a hassle to put back. Then I check my phone to see if I have any notifications, and of course not. After my desk is clear, I get a Lysol disinfecting wipe and start wiping down the desk. I notice these leave some debris, so I grab my trusty Swiffer duster and dust away. Now that everything's clean, I can start organizing. Okay, I like to have my products aligned perfectly. Maybe I have a problem? I don't know. So I get a measuring tape and start measuring. My desk is 46 inches wide, so the center mark is at 23 inches. The main products that need to be centered are the monitor, desk mat, and MacBook Pro. Once those are nicely aligned, I'll add other products starting with the HomePod Mini, the left and the right one. Next, I have a boom arm and AirPods Max. Then there's a MagSafe dual charger and MX Master 3. And finally, AirPods Pro, Apple polishing cloth, a matte black cube, and coffee mug. And there we have it. This is how clean I like my desk to be in order to stay productive. Alright, you may have noticed that my desk doesn't have any storage units. That's because it's height adjustable. So I bought this drawer from IKEA for my tech accessories and personal care items. It looks like a hurricane right now. I'm gonna clear everything out and start fresh. First, I have this mirror. It's simple and clean. Next, I have these 3 containers to section things off and prevent them from moving around. The large one is for my nighttime skincare products, the medium one is for my morning skincare products, and the small one is for my wallet and keys. For the top drawer, I also have containers to keep things organized. The big one has my oral care items, toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss picks. The one in the back has more skincare products and electric shaver. Moving on to the 2 square ones. These have my eye care items and other stuff. The right side has some cables, adapters, SD cards, and a flash drive. I also put my external hard drive, SSDs, power adapter, and MagSafe 3 cable. And the small boxes have mini microfiber cloths, wired earphones, and ear tips. Now it's all clean and everything's in its right place. Alright guys, that was a wrap on this video. My desk and drawers are now clean and organized. I hope this inspires you to have a clean workspace. So I'll be sure to link all of my cleaning supplies in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!